Hello everybody, once again it's the Thorncrest Pre-Owned Department, and today we want to do a quick walk around of this 2021 Toyota CHR. Let's give it a quick walk around, see what we got. Presents in black. This car, as traded in, is in clean condition. Does need a detailing, but it's clean enough that we can give it a walk around. This is a base model, so it is riding on 17-inch Steelies. So you might want to speak to our parts department and see if they can hook you up with a new set of tires or at least new alloy rims. I'm sure they can. This is a really cool looking car though. CHR, and let's check the rear hatch. And oh, we got the privacy cover, which is quite nice. With the seats up, 40-60. A fair bit of space here. Light there for you to help look for stuff at night. It is not a power lift gate, but it doesn't really need one. It's easy enough to operate. If you wanted to put a hitch on this, apparently you can tow up to about 1,000 pounds. The rear wing there is kind of cool. And of course, get into the rear. No other car has that. Headroom's a little bit snug here. I can still fit in the back to prove it. You know what? Because the roof's been scalloped out, even with the seat back pushed all the way back, I can sit in here and there is enough headroom. You know what? Two of me, being 6'4", can sit back here if needed. Again, base unit, so nothing there on the center console, but cup holder. Power windows all around. And let's look at the side profile. This is a cool looking car. And it does stand out for styling. Here we go. Like I said, power windows for everybody, power door locks. And cloth seats, the geometric insert there to break things up. Manually adjustable, which makes sense again for a base unit. We do have a fun shifter though, e-brake, stability control on and off, cup holder, second cup holder, space for your smartphone, USB power port there to charge it, no wireless charging, and buttons, if not knobs, for the AC and heat. Let's check the center touchscreen here again. Mounted prominently, it does have, of course, backup camera. Again, because it is a base unit though, I'm reasonably sure it does have apps. You have to download it. Home, and of course, navigation is something you need to have installed. Pretty sure it does have smartphone connectivity though. We'll check. There we go. So you can see other people have already connected their iPhone and whatnot, so you're good to go. You look at our gauge cluster here, fairly straightforward. And this unit for 2021 has 84,728 kilometers on it. Let's quickly look at the engine. I can find it. First time. There we go. Oh, I'm going to hold the hood up. It's kind of heavy. 2-liter 4-cylinder makes, I think, 141 horsepower and 130 pound-foot of torque, something like that, made it to a continuously variable transmission. This is a front-wheel drive unit, so it is good on gas. So like I said, if you're looking for something that's a little bit unique, stands out in terms of its styling, has some basic features, and again, is proven Toyota reliability and technology, this 2021 Toyota CHR is probably something you should be looking at. It's available today at Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.